Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare OpenCode and Goose. OpenCode is an open source code editor designed for developers who want full control over their coding environment. It supports multiple programming languages and offers extensive customization options from themes and key bindings to plugins and extensions. Being open source, it gives full transparency. Users can inspect the code, modify features, and contribute to the community. OpenCode is lightweight, uses minimal system resources, and keeps your workflow distraction-free, making it ideal for solo developers or those who prefer a highly adaptable editor. It also emphasizes privacy, so no usage data is collected without your consent. Regular community updates ensure the platform stays current with programming trends and developer needs. Goose, on the other hand, is a more advanced AI-powered coding platform that focuses on productivity and team collaboration. It integrates AI directly into your workflow for features like smart code completion, refactoring suggestions, error analysis, automated testing, and logic optimization. Goose support major IDEs and programming languages, letting you leverage AI assistance without leaving your favorite development environment. It also includes tools for collaborative coding, allowing teams to share context, track changes, and benefit from AI-assisted code reviews. Goose is particularly strong for developers working on larger projects on complex code bases, helping save time and reduce repetitive work. Overall, both tools are solid options in 2026, but they cater to slightly different audiences. OpenCode is perfect for developers who value lightweight performance, full customization, and an open source ecosystem, giving them complete control over their coding setup. Goose is better suited for those who want AI-powered assistance, productivity boosts, and enhanced collaboration features, especially for larger projects or team workflows. If you prefer a flexible and privacy-focused editor, OpenCode is the choice. If your priority is speed, automation, and AI guidance, Goose stands out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.